Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to change your YouTube profile picture. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to YouTube. Sign into your YouTube account, if you're not already logged in. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select View Your Channel. Hover your mouse over your current profile picture. Click the camera, edit icon that appears. You will be taken to the channel customization page. Scroll down to the picture section. Click Upload. Select a PNG or non-animated GIF image from your computer that follows YouTube's community guidelines. Click Open or double-click the image. Crop or adjust the image as needed. Click Done. Click Publish in the top right corner to save the changes. Return to your channel to confirm that your new profile picture has been updated. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.